Segmental phonology, the branch of phonology that discusses segments. It's based on the segmentation of language into individual speech sound provided by the phonetics. Phonetics basically studies sound, and it gives us the concept of phones. When we use these phones into any language, we come to phonemes, right? So phonemes are the individual segments found in any language. A segment is any discrete unit that can be identified either physically or auditorily in the stream of speech. For example, if I use a word but, right? So I can divide this word into b, and t, right? And similarly, the listener of the word can also have the knowledge that this word consists of three segments. The term is most used in phonetics and phonology to refer to phones and phonemes. So the word segment is used phonetics and phonology. In phonetics, it refers to phone, and in phonology, it refers to phoneme. Segments are called discrete because they are separate and individual, such as consonants and vowels. So basically, consonants and vowels, which are discrete, as I just show you that we can break a word into segments, and these segments become these segments are either vowels or consonants, and they are discrete. They are separate from each other. They are not overlapping over one another. A phoneme is a speech sound that in a given language, if it were swapped with another phoneme, would change the meaning of the word. So for phoneme, it's important that if we swap it, if we change it, we have a word bet, b, a, and t, and we change the t with d and make it bed. So we get a different meaning. All of us know that when we use this bet and bed, we get different meaning. So phoneme, we call a segment a phoneme when it brings about a change of meaning. If there is a difference, there is a variation of sound, but it does not bring about any change in meaning, it means that it is a same phoneme, but it's the variant of the same phoneme, which we discuss later. Phones are absolute, not specific to any language, but phonemes can be discussed only in reference to specific languages. So phonetic discusses phones, right? And phones, for example, b, it's a bilabial sound. So it is found in all languages. Maybe there are some different shades of the sound. So, but basically it's phone. For example, bet and bed. I just gave you the example of bet and bed. That with the difference of phoneme, the word bet has now another word which is bed, and both have different meanings. Similarly, if we take put and step, when I say put, you see that the sound of the letter P is aspirated. I pronounce it put, p. It's aspirated sound. But when I come on to the word step, I pronounce it t. It is not aspirated, right? So it means that we have two variant. In this example, maybe we have we have two variant of the same phoneme. This phoneme will remain the same in put and step, but there won't be any difference in meanings. So these are the variants of the same phonemes, and that's why we say that the variants do not bring about a change in meaning, so they are the same phonemes. So if any phoneme swapped with another brings about a change in meanings, it's another phoneme. So these are all segments. So these are the things that we discuss under the heading of segmental phonology.